new video. Going fishing. This video will probably be on the shorter side, but a video nonetheless. Let's go. The lure I'll be using today is a very small trout spinner, I believe. I'm going to use it because it's fall right now and it's cold, and I'll have a higher chance of catching smaller fish and smaller bass than larger bass, which means more content. So that's what I'm going to be using. It is a Mepps Aglia. It's made in France. It's a very nice spinner. I actually found this spinner in a tree at the exact pond I'm going to. So the person that was using this might have known what they were doing. Well, it's pretty windy today. I don't know how well you can hear me. This could be either good or bad, so we'll see how this turns out. The bottom of the pond is real. It's got a bunch of leaves and sticks on the bottom of it right now. There was a big windstorm yesterday from that hurricane, so I'm gonna have to watch out to that. But let's get cracking. I think I'm gonna need to switch up tactics. This lure is very light and I'm casting straight into the wind, so it's only going like 10 feet, so I'm tying something else. Okay, I think I'm gonna try this guy now. Focus. This one, when it swims, these come back, these feather things, and it looks like a fishtail or like a feather or duck, small duck or something. It's got a spinner on top, so that'd be good because there's a lot of sunlight right now. I've caught fish on this exact same lure in this pond, so we'll try it out, and it's much heavier. So, all right, let's try it out. Okay, well, during that time lapse you just watched, I didn't have a single bite, didn't catch any fish. It's hard. We're over here in this corner because this is where all the wind is coming right to this corner, so I can't cast very far off the shore. I think I'm gonna move spots and go over to the other corner past the dock, and we'll see what we can get over there. I'm actually just gonna make a quick pit stop at the dock and see if I can't get anything. Well, I honestly am a little disappointed. Totally thought we were gonna catch something so far. I'll go to the last spot, see if I catch anything. And if I don't, I'll come back tomorrow and film some more. All right, we're here at this last spot. See if we can get anything. I've changed positions once more. This will be the last spot. If I don't catch anything here, I'm gonna leave. Didn't get any bites, nothing at the last spot, and I almost lost my lure, so hopefully I get something. I have a fish on, finally. Right when I was about to leave. Check that out. Nice. Oh, I wish I could have gotten a strike on video, but I wasn't recording. Yes, I won't go home empty-handed. All right, caught it on this guy. Oh, he's been caught before. Caught it on this lure. grab him. Oh, he's nice and he's strong. Check him out. He's a little guy, but good fish nonetheless. See, here on this side you can see he's been hooked before. Nice catch, nice catch. Right before I was about to leave. Nice. Here's the release. And he's gone. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.